We want to welcome each and every one of you from around the world. Thanks for joining us on our webinar tonight. So let's get started. What is Ryze? Well, Ryze was developed over 10 years by a mathematical and statistical genius utilizing two top teams of programmers. Supercomputers made it possible to leverage artificial intelligence to allow the algorithm they created to operate under unique and proprietary trading strategies, positioning trades as a bridged liquidity provider. Now, if you have any experience in the currency or commodities market, this may not make sense immediately. Most traders in those markets use statistical, historical, or event-driven analysis to predict the direction of the market. It's kind of like going to Vegas, sitting at a roulette table and watching the results. And when the table hits black 6 times in a row, you may believe that it's now more probable that it will end up on red next, but that's wrong. Previous outcomes do not change the statistical probability of red or black. Traders attempt to analyze the market, and while they may be right some of the time, sometimes they are terribly wrong. That strategy is not stable, it's not long-term or consistent. The creator of the Ryze algorithm took a very different approach, deciding to be in the market at all times, analyzing the market in real time with the proprietary AI computing technology, choosing to be in the market and positioned between major banks or liquidity providers and traders. The strategy is to use high-frequency trading to arbitrage in the middle and take profits, buying and selling currencies at a high rate, choosing to be an inventory provider. Now, when most traders wake up in the morning, they hope the market goes the direction of their forecast, or the big announcement they're waiting for goes as they predicted, or historical data plays out the way they thought it would. The algorithm doesn't care. As a Ryze subscriber, you want the market to go up and down. In fact, the best days are when the market jumps up and jumps down, because you don't care which way the markets are going. The more volatile the market is, the more profitable it is for you. You're not trying to predict the future. Ryze has you in the market as an inventory provider. When there's demand or need for that inventory, the algorithm is moving what you have and taking a small profit. Now, most people don't know that currency, or the exchange of money, is the largest market in the world at $5.4 trillion a day. The daily liquidity of the marketplace creates a huge amount of supply and demand. You don't have to provide all the supply, and you don't have to provide all the demand to make significant profits when you're talking about $5.4 trillion a day. The Ryze platform allows a customer to set up their own account and maintain complete control while the algorithm executes trades on their behalf. At no time does Hodo have access to your trading account. Hodo has the global rights to license the Ryze platform and makes it available to consumers like you for a monthly subscription fee. Our pricing model is similar to Dropbox.com. When you put a few gigs of data in your Dropbox account, you pay them a subscription fee. When you put additional data in your account, you pay more. And that's the same way Ryze works. When you fund your account, you pay to access the Ryze technology. Add more funds to your account to get the technology bandwidth to execute those trades, and you're going to pay a higher subscription. Now, when you pay your subscription fee, you'll be provided a link directly to the investment broker, and they will provide you the information you need to set up and fund your broker account. It's your money, and it's your account. You are in total control at all times. You can deposit money today, and you can pull it out tomorrow. You could withdraw any profits that you've earned in your account at any time. Each account is traded individually by the algorithm through the broker. The Ryze platform features proprietary technology, and it can sound complicated. Perhaps you understand quantum wave superposition algorithm, but just in case you don't, let me make it simple for you. The algorithm is proprietary, and the combination of the artificial intelligence features make it unique. The Ryze platform is hosted on multiple cloud servers around the world with redundant sites to make sure that there is no lapse in service with dedicated parallel servers. So how does it work? Well, the details behind how the algorithm works will never be disclosed. That's our secret sauce. Ryze uses a unique combination of trade strategies. As a bridge liquidity provider, we are an inventory provider, providing both supply and demand in the marketplace. The AI is able to compute fluctuations in the market within fractions of a second, faster than any human could respond, to execute trades, hundreds of them, and even thousands of them in a day. The algorithm utilizes cluster-based trading, never placing a single trade at any time. Clusters of trades go in together, and clusters close out together. The algorithm processes high-frequency trades with arbitrage, closing those thousands of micro trades daily, diversifying your risk because you aren't placing big money on any one trade. Inventory-focused trading simply means that when the market is oversold, the AI goes into demand mode. And when the market starts becoming overbought, we lead with the supply mode. The money management mode in Ryze doesn't risk your entire account. You will never be fully exposed in the market. Ryze closes positions, banking realized profit on a daily basis. It's your money and it's your account, and the algorithm allows you to access your profits for cash flow. You can license a subscription to the Ryze AI algorithm and begin using it for yourself with a minimum deposit of only $500. Can you really afford not to try Ryze today and start creating leverage in your life? Get back to the person who shared this webinar with you and get your Ryze account set up today.